Good morning. It is a travel slash hacking day. I'm trying my road bike again, so I don't know how this is gonna sound. I'm not gonna lie to you. So bear with me. I probably won't bring it with me on this trip just because it's like big and bulky, but I did want to like try to get back into using it, so we're testing it out today. I'm having a day, to be honest with you. I woke up at 9, fine, and I decided, oh, I should move some stuff from this memory card onto my laptop, because I'm not bringing my laptop with me. I'm not even bringing hand luggage, I'm just bringing like a personal item, so I'm bringing my backpack. So I was like, I'll move some stuff off and just bring one memory card. Fine. And then my laptop, normally I just like import it into my Final Cut library. Oh my gosh, I put nails on with stickers and look at them. Do you see this? She's already off. Normally I just input into my Final Cut library and everything is fine and dandy, you know? I don't know what is going on, but Final Cut offloaded off of my laptop and now it's just not working because I tried to re-download it and my laptop wasn't updated, didn't have enough space, then I had to like delete random stuff off of it and move a bunch of files around on my external hard drive to update my laptop to try and get Final Cut, but it's still like not even on there. I actually should probably bring my laptop over here to make sure that we're doing the right thing. Are you f***ing kidding me? An error occurred while updating. This has been 2 hours of me trying to do this. I'm over it. Either way, this is fine right now. Like, this memory card has like 3 hours on it. So it should be fine. I can delete some stuff, but I'm just like annoyed because why is my laptop not working? But also the only thing that I ever use my laptop for is video editing. So if it doesn't work for Final Cut, I'm not gonna be happy. And I don't have money to buy a laptop. Also, I don't understand how the math works because the pound is like double a Canadian dollar, and tell me why laptops here start at like £1,000 and at home they're like $1,600. The math isn't mathing. I'm going to Paris today. It is currently 11:45. I'm gonna leave at like 1:30. My flight is at 5:15 out of Gatwick and takes like half an hour to get there. And I have no baggage. I just have my backpack. My plan is just to pack this packing cube with clothing, and then I have my makeup bag. It's a black bag sitting there, and then a liquids bag. And that's kind of the plan. I don't even know what to wear. It is pissing down rain in London right now, but it's possibly gonna rain in Paris one day, and then the other day, what are you doing, laptop? High is like 23, so hot. So originally I was going to pack leggings, wear jeans on the plane, wear a sweater, and then pack like 2 t-shirts. But now if it's gonna be hot, I'm like, what do I want? So this is what we currently are packing. I have a pair of leggings for like comfies, especially if on the last day I'm just like not feeling it and if my jeans still fit in my bag. I'm planning on wearing jeans on the last day, like traveling back home too, but if I don't have to, then I won't. I'm not really buying anything on this trip. I know I'm probably gonna buy a 2024 pin, and if they have like a Halloween pin, then I'll do that. But maybe I'll buy a sweater, but I don't really need another sweater. I'd only get it if they have like a really classic one. But yeah, I'm not really planning on buying anything, so I can kind of fill in my backpack. A pair of leggings. This is gonna be like an undershirt, and then I'm gonna wear my like comfier one today, but this is just a black Lululemon Align top. This is just a quick little trip. It is my birthday when I'm filming this. Top, Align leggings. This dress, because again, it's supposed to be 23, and this dress folds up to be like really small. It's like really stretchy. So we're doing this in case it is warm one day. Pair of tights, because I still don't think it'll be that warm. I have the pair of socks that I'm wearing today, and honestly, I'm just gonna wear the outfit that I wore today tomorrow. And then I'm adding 2 more pair of socks. So I have these cute little short Mickey socks, and then I have these taller mini socks. So these are my 2 pairs of socks. I'm just going for 2 days. So today is Monday, and I'm doing Monday to Thursday, but Thursday I don't know if I'm gonna do a full day. My flight isn't until later tonight. My flight's at like 5, so I said we're leaving around 1, so I'll land at 6 o'clock London time, an hour ahead, so like 7:30. And then I've never taken the train before, so we're gonna try and take the train. The last time that I did this trip, we took the Eurostar straight into Disneyland Paris. It was when it went straight there and it didn't have any stops, where I think they've discontinued that service for now. Yeah, I've never done this before. I've also never traveled solo in Europe. I've traveled solo. Oh, I'm also throwing in this little face cloth. I've traveled solo in the States a lot, so I'm not like completely lost with it. But normally I would just like rent a car. Not a thing here. So, well, it is a thing. I just don't do it because I don't trust myself driving on the other side of the road. Also, drivers are just like spooky here in general. It seems like it should be easy. I should just be able, wow, this packed up so easily. I should be able to take the RER, I think it's called, into the city, and then I'm staying at like basically a hostel. Like it's labeled as a hostel, but I have a single room. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just bringing this, what I'm wearing today. It's gonna fit more in here, but I don't think I really care. And then I'm gonna bring my little Lululemon bag, I think. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my Lululemon bag or my other bag, but I'm gonna wear it underneath my sweater because only one personal item is our lives. Yeah, this is everything I've packed. And then, like I said, my makeup bag and my liquids bag. I did wake up sick yesterday, and I'm gaslighting myself into thinking that I'm not sick because I refuse to be sick. So I'm not sick. I did feel better when I woke up today, but I'm not sick. But I'm bringing decongestant and a few little med things like cough drops. But we're gonna put this in our backpack, pack up the rest of our backpack, and get ready to go. I have like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, grab something to eat, and pack this up, and then we'll be on our way to Disneyland Paris. Yay! I still have so much room. I won't go into the saga of my laptop because it'll just piss me off, but we're on the way out. We have backpack. All I need to do is put my camera in this. I gave myself an extra 25 minutes, and I took an extra 20 minutes to get everything packed up because I was waiting for my laptop to fix, and then it didn't. It finally downloaded what I needed to download, just for it to then not restore any of my purchases. So I went to go open Final Cut, and it says I owe them £300. So now it's not the time for me to deal with that. I have almost 3 hours on this camera. I think we'll be okay between this and my phone. But a bunch of portable chargers, all my stuff packed, and like I said, I still have room in here for a bunch of stuff. And I'm bringing an umbrella. I was debating with shoes because I wanted to wear boots because I think it is gonna rain, but I'm wearing, you can't see, but I decided to just throw on a pair of like Nikes because they were a little bit more comfortable. I need to fix the laces, but we'll do it later. But I did pack an umbrella. So let's go to the airport and see how this goes. I have never been to Gatwick in my life or traveled alone here, so got low hopes, but we'll see.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush.
Okay. I made it to the hotel. I didn't film a lot because honestly that was maybe the most stressful travel experience that I've had in years. But let's do a little hotel tour, then I can give you the tea. Here's my little room. I already like threw up all over it. I guess I could turn the light on, couldn't I? Oh, yeah, there we go. This is the hotel I'm staying at, Ecklo. And I booked a single room because it was dirt cheap. So this is a single bed, but it's honestly a pretty decent size. Like, I will be totally fine in this bed, no issues. TV, little hanger, there's a cutie little desk, some storage. This is nice setup. Sorry, I have all my clothes hanging already, but extra storage. You could put suitcases here if you had suitcases. It's actually a hostel, so this is like meant for suitcases to go under, I'm guessing. one sad little pillow, but it's fine. There is a individual shower, which slays because I'm sweaty. Here's my little mirror and my little sweater that I wear every day. And toilet. And a little storage there. So it's small, but for like, I think this was like 75 Canadian a night, which is like what? 40, no. Yeah, like 40 pounds a night. Not too shabby. Here's my travel story. I'm a pretty chill traveler. I don't get stressed out. I've had one singular bad, also 2 nails. I tried to use these little stickers. We're going back to glue. So I'm gonna glue that tomorrow. I've had one singular bad travel experience in my life, which for reference, I flew like 36 flights in 2022. I think it was 2021, 2022. 2022, I think. I fly a lot. This wasn't even a bad flying experience. But I take the train, everything's fine. I get to the airport. One weird thing, they don't tell you your gate until an hour before, but your boarding pass says closing. So my flight was at 5:10. It said boarding ends or like gates close at 4:10, but then on all the boards it said it'll tell you your gate at 4:10. So I had to stay in the main area of the airport. Also Gatwick is very nice. But I had to stay in the main area of the airport. And then at 4:10, the board updated, and then it was like 102, which was like way in the middle of nowhere. So I was like booking it there. I don't know, whatever, made it fine. Boarding was fine. The nice thing about the budget flights is that no one has overhead baggage for the most part. So I can put my backpack up there. Also our flight was pretty empty. So both of the seats beside me were empty, and then someone from, I'm guessing, standby got put in one of the seats. But lots of room, which was great. It was fine, no charging. Forget it's a budget airline. No chargers there. Say, okay. My phones are like 40, 30, around there, percentage. I have portable chargers. They've been sitting in my bag for like a month since I've lived here, and I thought I'd only use one of them. I was wrong. One of them was like 3/4 charged because I charged it on the train on the way here. One of them was like 10% charged. So I landed in Paris immediately. I was like, oh, I can just charge it in the airport. No, we're an easyjet. So they like immediately put you on a shuttle, put you in customs, boom, you're up at like the pickup area. Not a single USB port. I'm like, okay, maybe there'll be a wallet somewhere. I look at my bag. I realized that I packed my adapter, but I didn't pack the thing that plugs into the adapter, which like, it was in my backpack. I physically took it out of my backpack this morning and then put it back in. But I did pack a giant fat adapter. So I currently have a European adapter, but nothing to plug in to the US part, which was great. So I was like, fuck me, I have to go buy a USB Euro adapter because now I'm in Europe. So now it's not like I can buy a US USB thing to plug in. Whatever, I spent like 16 euro on a single USB one, which looking back I'm like, I should have spent 22 and gone the double, but I don't care enough. But my phone is dying. I have no idea where I'm going. The train that I'm supposed to take apparently stopped service at 8. In what world? I'm stuck in this customs line. I'm like, okay, well, I'm not catching that train. I think it was the RER. We're not doing that. Okay, that's fine. It says catch the B train. Actually, Google Maps said one thing. I said, that cost 22 euros. I have to transfer twice. I'm not doing that. So I go. I just type in the station of where I want to be. I take the B train. Have to transfer. I transfer to the A train. I miss it by 1 minute because I didn't want to just jump on the train. I didn't know where I was going. So I sit there for 13 more minutes on the platform. I get that train. It says get off at Val d'Europe and catch a bus or a train, something to get here. At this point, I'm sweating. My phone is at like 20%-ish. I'm like, okay, I turn off my phone. I'm sitting for 47 minutes on the second train, just in silence. Nothing going on. My phone is dying. And then I'm like, well, I don't think my phone is gonna be alive enough. Because at one point it went down to 13%. And I went, ooh, this is really, really sketchy. So I'm like, I'm not gonna get off at Val d'Europe. I'm gonna get off at the Disneyland Paris stop. Because then I know where I'm going, because I stayed here 2 years ago. So I said, worst case scenario, I walk to a hotel, try to find a plug into the lobby of the hotel. I think that'll be fine. I get off. Why is there so many constructionals? Can't even get into Disney Village. Because I was like, maybe I go to a Starbucks. That should be open late. It's like 9:30ish, 10ish at this point. I'm like, things are still open late. can't get to Disney Village, and I'm like, okay, I'll start walking to a hotel, because I'll walk to the hotel. I follow a bunch of people, I walk in a giant circle, I walk to the parking lot where the cars are parked, I'm like, that's not where I'm meant to be, and I take the bus walkway. At this point, I'm just like peeved, I'm annoyed, I don't even want to get anywhere, fuck it, I'm ordering an Uber. We're just gonna order an Uber. I go, I walk, all the taxi people are screaming at me, I'm over it. I walk, I get to the Uber location, I order an Uber. My phone is at 6% at this point. No plugins to be seen. This country hates a USB port apparently. 6%. I order an Uber. It says, your Uber will partner with the driver by 10:18. I said, okay. And then 10:18 hits and it goes, your Uber will partner with the driver by 10:23. I go, okay. 10:23 hits. It says, your Uber is 12 minutes away. I went, that's fine. 12 minutes, 10-minute drive from here to there. It'll be fine. I sat there for 18 minutes and it said that my Uber continuously was 4.2 kilometers and 11 minutes away. At this point, my phone is dying. My phone is at 4%, and I just have memorized the Uber's license plate, because if he shows up, I'll just get in the Uber and it is what it is, you know? I don't care. But whatever, after 18 minutes, I was like, I need another driver. I had another driver. Thank the absolute Lord that this driver was 1 minute away in the parking lot. It was a 10-minute drive. Got to the hotel. I got checked in. We're here. It's fine. I broke the window. It's fixed now. But I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. I was sweating, so I'm gonna take a shower and wash my face, do a little nighttime routine, and then tomorrow we'll go to the park. I don't know what we're doing. I'm planning to wake up at like 8:30ish. It's like almost midnight now, I think. So if I wake up at 8:30, the park doesn't open until 9:30. I think it's open 9:30 to 9, and then 9:30 to 8 for studios tomorrow. So in my mind, if I wake up at like 8:39, it's a 20-minute bus ride in. So I'll walk to the bus. I'll get the bus. I'll get there at like 10. I have to wait in line to guest relations, but I want to miss the initial morning guest relations rush because I know it's gonna be crazy. So yeah, I'm on comp tickets, so I have to go to guest relations. I can't just get in the app, which is kind of annoying. So that's my plan. I leave here at 9:30. 9:30 I think it's cool. Wake up at 8. Wake up at 8:30. Between 8:30 and 9. But if I leave here at 9:30, I think I'll be fine. I just want to catch the parade at 11:30. That is the game plan. So I think I'll catch the parade, go over to studios. Oh, actually, catch the parade, eat a burrito, I think, because I really want to try the Mexican restaurant. Go to studios, and then go back. There is 2 Halloween parades, the drone show, and illuminations, fireworks. And I don't think there's anything in studios for like nighttime shows. So yeah, but so this is a long rant. That was my story time. We're gonna do a little like nighttime routine quick, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think this is where I'm gonna wrap up this video because it's gonna be really chaotic, but thank you for watching. There'll be the actual Disneyland Paris vlogs coming after this, so please subscribe if you want to see those. Love you all. I'm going to go to sleep before I jump off a cliff after today, because I took 7 years off my life with this dress today. So see you tomorrow.
Things be different. Why am I wasting my time over analyzing everything that I never said? Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so